Hi guys, first here this Digital Day and Night Thermostat outlet plug with timer for repeating purposes, and it's really nice. It comes like this. Here is the outlet and you can connect anything, and here we got the instructions on how you can change different settings of the timer. And it's really nice because it's a programmable thermostat, which function of plug and play. You can just plug it in directly and it will work, and it has a perfect mode for temperature control, and in case that you run out of energy in whenever you want to put it, you can. It has a battery, so it stays on no matter what. As you can see, I have it connected and it is on, so it's perfect. These kinds of thermostats or energy regulators have a very wide range of applications, going for greenhouse, reptiles, incubators, terrarium, on some kind of freezers, some homebrew, aviarium even, different kinds of fermentation process that you can have at your house, heat mat, whatever you want to need it, it's a great option. As I've said, it's plug and play, and here we've got the thermometer, so you can check the temperature. As you can see, when I hold it, the measured temperature starts rising because I have the temperature controller in my hand. When I hold it, it starts gaining temperature, which is really nice. Okay, so I would really recommend it. It's nice, it's plug and play, it's great, and it has an internal battery, so it doesn't disprogram itself when you run out of energy. So it's great.